Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today I'm going to attempt to style my natural hair. I'm going to, part it in the middle, slick it down to the back, put it in a ponytail, but I'm going to have two twists in the front. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do. I don't really style my natural hair. I usually put them in cornrows, and I put on a wig, and then I go on with my business, or I just put in the cornrows, and that's how I leave. I go on with my business in my cornrows. And y'all better not come for my edges, okay? They've been struggling. Okay, wait. This is supposed to be a tutorial, so let me actually tutorialize. That's even a word. Okay, I'm gonna start by, what's the word I am looking for? I'm gonna start by parting my hair down the middle. And then I'm gonna part the two, like a triangle part, pretty much like this. These are where the twists are going to be. And now I gotta just slick down my hair into a pony in the back. So these are the things I'm going to be using. Hair ties to close my hair up. I'm going to be using this fake kinky curly pony hair, to slick down my hair. I'm going to be using the olive oil edge control gel. Also, I'm going to be using the Hold and Flex Garnier thingy. I didn't use that. I'm going to be using Got to Be Glued Sparkling Gel. I'm going to be using the Got to Be Hold Gel. I'm going to be using the Got to Be Black Holding Gel. And I might be using the spray too. I'm not saying I'm using all of them, but I'm going to see which one works better for me. And also because I want my twist to be a little longer, just a little longer, I'm going to be adding hair with it. So I'm going to be using just this type of hair and adding it to the twist so it goes all the way down. So those are the things I'm going to be using to hopefully achieve the look that I am looking for. So let's start. Anyways, I put my hair, this side of my hair in a ponytail so I can start over here. I also forgot to really slick it down. I won't be using combs and stuff like that. I'm going to use this, and that's going to help me really just slick my hair down. I'm pretty in tune with my hair, so hopefully I don't need to struggle too much. But let's begin. I'm going to start by, oh my god, I'm already struggling. I'm going to start with, I'm going to start with the back. Okay. I'm going to start by parting the back, gelling it, and hopefully gelling it down. Let me do that. I'm using the Got to Be Glued, the yellow one. Okay. Oh. Okay, Clinton. Okay, no, Clinton, you know what you're doing. I know what I'm doing. Yeah. Do I need that part glued? That's going to be in a ponytail. I'm being stupid right now. Okay, let me just put... No. Okay, let's restart this. I'm going to start gelling it over here, actually. Yes. Now I know what I'm doing. I'm going to gel it down with the brush too. Is it working? I can't see. Let me use the black one. I don't have that much of the black one because I use it for my wigs. I gotta go buy more. Okay. Yes, that feels quite slick. I can't see it, but it feels quite slick. And then ponytail it. Guys? Dang, it's curly. Okay, I wanted it slick, but we're gonna have like a curly slick. For two, it's okay. I'm gonna part it over here again. Now we're getting more into the front. This is gonna be a fast tutorial, guys. But it's gonna be good. I believe in myself. I wanna mix it. Okay. I don't have that much left. So if you didn't remember about this side of your head. We're gonna slick it. And slick it down, slick it down. Oh, that's a lot of hair over here. Is that my hair? Okay, let me cut that in half. And put some gel there. Okay, I'm running out of gel. And I haven't even done the tops or the other side of my head. I have to rationalize what I'm using. I'm literally going through all of them. One of them is going to work perfectly for me. I don't know what yet. I don't like that one. Shoot! I'm supposed to do it like this. Because it's... I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Okay, now I see why... I'm not going to cry because that's not going to happen. But now I see why people get frustrated. Came in with a lot of confidence. I don't think I'm doing bad. But I thought I could do better than this. That's the point. Put it back in the pony with the one I slicked last time. And my ponytail broke. It's okay. I have another one. It's okay. My hair is not gonna make me mad today because my hair loves me and it won't disappoint me. To be honest, it feels like I'm not putting gel on and I could have done this with my natural hair. And I wanted it slicked, but it doesn't look like it's gonna slick down. Does that help? I don't know. That feels, let me check. That feels pretty good. You know what? Whatever. We're getting to the front. This one is going to be easier. I'm saying that, but I might struggle the most with this one. I'm going to actually put in the middle here. Put some, you see how it's almost done? Oh my gosh. Okay, it's in. You gotta, okay, how about you put it here first before anything else? Yes. In the middles. And then on the side. I go into that one. Maybe I'll put pictures, depending if I'm lazy or not. Put you over here. Almost spray down here. Where are you? Where are you, brush? Oh. Okay, I lost my comb, so that's a good thing. Usually when I'm braiding people, I'm like, you know, concentrated, and I lose my comb. It means that your hair is gonna come out nice, because I'm way too concentrated. Do you see the difference? I don't. I'm not gonna lie, guys, it feels like it did absolutely nothing. Listen. Let me put this in this pony and let's see if it looks like there's a difference. I even like this one a little bit better. I'll put clips. We'll make it look cute. So this won't become a tutorial. This is just me struggling with my hair. I think that's the best it's going to be. I just gotta take what I can. I'm gonna do my edges later on. Do I even need to lay this down? I'm just gonna lay the front down. Let's see if that will, if I should have just done that at the beginning. Come on. Yo, I forgot I have wigs. I need these. I'll be finishing them up. Oh. Let's see if I should just done the front and call it a day. Let's see. Where is this brush? Now I've actually lost it. Oh, found you. Yeah, I should have just done the front. Whatever. Do you guys see the difference? No, I just wasted product when I could have done this and gotten the same results. which is annoying. Okay, I'm gonna put these together now. My hair is just going back to being curly. Okay, so my hair is not straining anymore, and it's trying to go back into its natural state, and that's not what I want right now. I'm gonna put some clips, some cute pink purple clips, and that's gonna be to keep my hair from going back into like its smaller natural hair, because I stretched it out for a reason. Hi guys. Why are you playing me? Okay, whatever. I'm sweating. I'm not even kidding. I'm like, oh, I forgot I was wearing this, but I'm sweating. Okay. Let me lay it down. Can I prevent? Hi, cappers. I'm not mad with my hair. I'm mad with the product, because it's not slicking how I want it to slick. And I'm mad with my hands, because I can do this in other people. Why can't I do it on myself? This is why I need friends and sisters. My sister's a hairstylist, but she moved away to another province. So, you know, I'm here struggling, but here. Ooh, I'm gonna get a headache from this. Okay, I'm gonna come back when I'm done doing some other stuff to make myself happy. Okay, so I did my makeup. I have something to eat. I'm a little bit happier. I'm kind of scared. Yeah, guys, I'm kind of scared to take this off because I don't know how it's gonna look like. I should have done my edges before I did my makeup. We'll work through it. Okay. Okay. Feels pretty hard. I'm actually so happy. So this is the final look. It's not the final look, but this is how it looks. Can you guys see? I don't know. I'm really happy so far, guys. Okay. Okay. This is good. Let me do my edges. Look, I have nothing left in here, guys. I have to go buy more. It's gonna pick up my makeup, but that's my bad. I am laid, guys. I am laid to perfection. I'm so happy. Y'all don't even know how happy I am. I'm actually just so happy. Oh, for my edges, I always mix the black one with the olive oil edge control, and it always works for me best. This is okay, but this side, guys. Okay, let me add. It's too watery right now. Oh, that's why I do it. This one gets too watery for me, and I use this paste, like I dry it out and make sure this is kind of dry, and I use it as a paste to make a nice like consistency where my hair just works with. I don't know why it works so well. Do you I don't think you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. This looks really good. Okay, but I'm just gonna do this part now. I'm gonna comb it out a little bit so it's a little bit more my hair, because I don't have these like curls that come out like that. Nah. Not my baby. I have tight curls. Look how happy I am now. I was this two seconds from just giving up, but look at me. Okay. Let me just lay my edges down. I don't like it loose. There. It's looking a little bit better. Still want it. Sorry, it smells good. I think that's the best it's gonna be. Okay, we're gonna clip it at the bottom then. So my phone kept shutting off on me. It's just because it's on it's gonna die soon, so I need to get a charger. But I'm gonna twist the hair. I'm gonna be using 2 strands of these ones of just fake hair. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna show you my natural hair. I'm going to twist it like this, and then it's just gonna continue. And then braid it in first, and then I'm gonna start twisting. Yes, guys. Here. I want it to be like that's better, guys, right? I mean, it's gonna lose over here, so I'm gonna restart because I want it perfect. It's not the best, okay? I know it's not the best, but I'm actually so happy. Oh, this one looks way better. Okay, let me redo this one then. Guys, I want to know who y'all think you are. Who do you think you are? Am I happy or am I happy? I'm happy and happy. This is the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying as long if you did stay as long. This is fun for me. This was stressful, but at the end, very happy, very fun for me. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for being here. Oh, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share this video so I can get more subscribers, of course. Thank you. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.